Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Hey, it's March the 12th, mid-afternoon. Lots going on in the world. Financial markets, coronavirus. Yeah, I did a video I'll put in the under video number 1 below about a lot of professional sporting events, seasons being canceled, or they're playing at empty stadiums, or yeah, it's bad. This next article, taken from Market Watch, I'll put this article link underneath video number 1 link. It says, taking it to the cleaners. Coronavirus spurs spike in demand for jobs to sanitize America. I saw a little well, not a commercial, a news piece last night, how a lot of the airlines are going through the cabin on empty planes that are parked and sanitizing every surface on every aircraft. So these people were all like, had like masks and goggles and rubber gloves. And so there's a rush, as you can imagine, to disinfect office buildings, workplaces, and public spaces as well. So job openings for cleaners are shooting through the roof as the U.S. mobilizes to contain the coronavirus, but hiring is likely to plunge in industries suffering most from the interruptions in daily life. The online jobs market ZipRecruiter says help wanted ads for cleaners are on track to surge 75% in March compared to a year earlier. By contrast, they were up just 24% in January. There's been a huge spike in demand for cleaning workers. Julia Pollard, a labor economist at ZipRecruiter, told MarketWatch, "We didn't see much of a change in February, but the first few weeks of March, we are seeing a huge shift." I know when I was younger, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I would have this like saying, you do what you got to do when you're young and when you don't have a lot of money, taking on part-time jobs. I don't know if I would want to be a cleaning person in the midst of this coronavirus. And yes, you got to pay the bills, but this one job, I don't think I would be interested in, even if I was in need of some quick cash. That's just me. Let me know what you think. Would you want to be a cleaning worker to try to disinfect airlines, workplaces, public places? I'm not sure. Anyhow, let me hear your thoughts. Crypto Mentor 99, I love you. Bye-bye.